How to create a Windows 10 recovery drive. This, as it turns out, has become more important in recent years because of the fact that most manufacturers aren't including installation media with your new machines. A recovery drive, as it turns out, is one way you can make it yourself. How to create a Windows 10 recovery drive. A Windows 10 recovery drive can be used to restore Windows backups to your machine and more. I'll show you how to create one. I'm Leo Notenboom. This is askleo.com. In a previous article, I showed you how to create a backup image using Windows 10's built-in backup program. Along the way, we were prompted to create what's called a recovery drive to use in the event of a disaster from which you need to recover. A recovery drive is a USB flash drive from which you boot your computer in order to restore a previously created image, as well as perform a number of other Windows recovery tasks, including reinstalling Windows from scratch. You don't have to be taking a backup image to create a recovery drive, and it's convenient to have around. It can take the place of your original installation media should that not be available. Here's how to do it. Creating a recovery drive. Click on the Start menu, or type the Windows key on your keyboard, and begin typing recovery drive without the quotes. The first search result should be Create a recovery drive. As soon as that appears, click on it. After confirming UAC, not shown, you'll be presented with the Recovery Drive Wizard's first screen. Make sure Backup System Files to the Recovery Drive is checked. This may require a larger flash drive, but ensures you'll be able to reinstall your system from scratch using this drive should the need arise. Click Next. The wizard will scan your system for eligible USB flash drives. If you have not yet inserted a USB flash drive for this purpose, you can do so now while it scans. The scan can take some time. When complete, the wizard displays available drives as well as the minimum size the drive should be. If more than one is listed, click on the one you want to use and click Next. You'll be given an important warning. The drive you use for your recovery drive, in this case my USB drive, will be completely erased. Make sure there's no important data on the drive and click Create to begin the process. This can take a surprisingly long time, at least it did for me. The length of time depends on the speed of your machine, your flash drive, your USB interface, and what else you might be doing with your computer as the process proceeds. When completed, the wizard displays a message that it's done. Click Finish to exit the wizard. Using your recovery drive. The most important thing to realize is that the recovery drive is something you boot from. By that I mean you reboot your computer with the UEFI or BIOS configured to check for bootable USB media before booting normally from the hard disk. There's more information on exactly what that means in my article, How Do I Boot from CD, DVD, USB in Windows 8 and 10. For links related to this article or to leave a comment, visit askleo.com/28233. I'm Leo Notenboom. This is askleo.com. Thanks for watching.